Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate professional AI business videos using CapCut. So to do that, it's very easy. I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up the CapCut application and go to text, which is the third option on the bottom. Then select the first option, which is add text. Here you can type in the text that you would like to use as the basis of your video. And then it is going to show up in the form of a text box just like this. Then you just have to tap on it and this menu is going to appear on the bottom of the screen where you have to select AI avatars.
Hey, how are
Then you will find a huge library of different AI avatars and we are going to switch to professional and you can select the one that you prefer from this list.
Hey,
This
how
is
are
a
you
te-
today?
And it is going to be applied to the text that you have introduced. Please consider sending a super thanks donation.